Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your digital life secure and simple. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to change your Dropbox password in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, updating your password regularly is a smart move to protect your files and data. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, and it'll only take a couple of minutes. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. If you're not already in, open the Dropbox app on your phone, tablet, or head to Dropbox.com on your computer and enter your current credentials. Once you're in, look for the account icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that to open your account settings menu. Next, navigate to the Security or Account section. In 2025, Dropbox has made this even easier with a dedicated Password tab. Click on it, and you'll see an option to change your password. Now, for security reasons, you'll need to verify your identity first. This might involve entering your current password or going through a two-factor authentication step if you have it enabled. Highly recommended, by the way. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Make it strong. Aim for at least 12 characters, mix in uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Then, re-enter it to confirm. Hit Save or Update, and Dropbox will process the change. You might get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're all set. Your Dropbox account now has a fresh, secure password. Remember, changing your password every few months is a great habit, and always enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. If you run into any issues, Dropbox's Help Center is a fantastic resource. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.